Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Nissan Altima 2.5. It does have a rebuilt title on it. There was front end damage on it. The airbags did not deploy and it did not have structural damage. You can see our guys did a fantastic job of cleaning everything up, putting it on back the way that it needed to be. Let's say it does have a 2.5 liter motor. And we'll go ahead and put the hood down. I'll take it for a tour. Black and silver rims. There's the, got good tread. These are the mirrors. They have the turn indicators in them. They do, on this model, you have to release the trunk from inside. So we'll release that. Take a look inside the trunk. Within the trunk space, you have your spare tire and your tire change kit. It is a dual exhaust. You step around to the driver's side, you can see the VIN right here. On this model, you have all four window control mechanisms, your locks, and your mirror adjusters right here. Your trip computer. There's your traction control, your heated steering wheel. There is the trunk that we just pushed. Here's where you pop open your gas and you pop open your hood. It is full leather. We'll go ahead and hop in. Looks like they have the radio going for us. We're going to go ahead and turn that down. As you see, you have FM, AM, CD. You can also plug your phone in and turn your display on and off if you wish. Okay, over here is your tuner. This is your menu for your iPod. You're bouncing around on the FM or AM bands. Here's your eject for your CD. You have your passenger airbag that you can turn on and off. You have your hazards that you can toggle there. Also, you have your volume control from here. You can also change the screens that are showing up. So right there you can look at, you have no warnings. There's your main menu selection, your vehicle itself, your average miles per gallon and such. Okay, we're just going to leave it right there for now because we're going to turn it off and then restart it. You can see that it has 31,829 miles on it and 211 miles until your next gas refill is required. So we're going to come down here to your push start. Turn that off so that you can see the startup sequence. Okay, as you come down here below your climate control, you can turn this on. Has your front and rear defrosters, Recirc. As you come down here, you're going to see your power supplies. You got your 12 volt there, your USB, and your auxiliary data feed. So you can tie in to your phone. Now here's your shifter. You also have your cup holders right here. Here's your key fob. There's additional storage space right here. You also have your center console. It has an upper and a lower deck. There's the upper deck, and the lower deck is much deeper. Okay, so in the back, I'll go ahead and take you around there, but you can see it's also full leather. Let's go ahead and hop back there. There's the back, once again full leather, and this little guy right here can actually fold down into a cup holder and armrest. There are the rear vents. Oh, one other thing that you'd be very interested in that I have forgotten to mention is when putting the car in reverse, your backup camera will come on. So we'll go ahead and hop out. You can listen to the engine run. Once again, that's your 2018 Nissan Altima 2.5. For more inventory, visit us online at tjchapmanauto.com.